Hi, this is Jaydeep Sai, and the topic which I have selected for this TikTok video is growing up with pervasive computing. So let's discuss the abstract of the topic. So this is about the pervasive computing. This is the slide. Digital technologies has permeated the everyday life of majority of population. Wake up alarm, weather alert, fitness tracking, diet plan, travel, itinerary, shopping, communication, workplace, cars, education, personal finance, entertainment, and so on. The profound interlacking of the human and technology has made us obvious of their distinguished persistence. According to Mark Weiser, who coined the term ubiquitous computing in 1991, technology revolution will move into everyday, the smart and the invisible. The most profound technologies are those that disappear. They weave themselves into the fabrics of everyday life until they are indistinguishable for it. So the digital technologies has permitted the everyday life of majority of the population. The digital technologies we are using for waking up alarm. So for the alarm which we are using for waking up at the morning, that is alarm is used using the digital technology and weather alert. So for the weather alert, we are using the televisions, which are also a digital technology. And for the fitness tracking, we are using the watches, digital watches. These are also the digital technologies we are using. And for the diet plan, we are using the technologies and travel itinerary, shopping, communication. So for the shopping, we are using the platforms such as mobiles and the computers which we are using. These are also the digital technologies. And for the communication, we are using mobile phones, smartphones, and other means. So these are also comes under the digital technologies, workplaces, cars, education, personal finance, entertainment. So for these regions of the fields, we are using the digital technologies. The profound interfacing of human and technology has made us obvious of these distinguished persons. According to Mark Weiser, who coined the term ubiquitous computing in 1991, the technology revolution will move into the everyday. The small at invisible, the most profound technologies are those that disappear. They weave themselves into the fabrics of everyday life until they are indistinguishable for it. Ubiquitous computing, also known as pervasive computing, is the consequence of such rapid advancement of computing that technology is omnipresent and prevalent. Such devices are always interconnected and consciously available. By leveraging the internet and wireless computing, pervasiveness is critical as it provides greater scope to understand and factor in the inter and intra-service dependencies required to minimize service layers. One of the profound impact of digital technology is not just limited to shift in the way we work, solve and communicate, but how swiftly the underlying technologies have advanced. Today, the proliferation of smartphones, cloud, IoT devices, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, compact battery, etc., have given rise to a seamless, interconnected, intelligent network that connects many people and objects. These apparatuses and capabilities continue to evolve, driving new means to solve complex problems with greater precision. This is about the pervasive computing where we are using the smartphones, cloud computing, IoT devices, artificial intelligence, nanotechnologies, compared batteries have given rise to seamless interconnectedness. So these technologies has given us seamless interconnectedness, intelligent network that connects many people and objects. So we are connecting with other people who are far away from us. We are using these technologies such as smartphones, cloud, IoT devices, artificial intelligence, nanotechnologies. We are using these technologies to connect it with the people who are far from us, and this has improved the interconnectedness in us. So here, this is one person, and it's connected to the laptop. and teacher, online classes, and the calendar we have, and the CC camera, gaming, car, transportation. We have clothing for the e-commerce and watches, digital watches, smartphones, and hospitals, microbiology, and for the share market. These are the many of the technologies which we are using in the digital transformation. We are using this in everyday life, and here we are also using the maps. These are the technologies that we are using in our everyday life. Key characteristics. Some of the key characteristics of pervasive computing are ultra fast computing capability. So these pervasive computings are of ultra fast computing capability. So they can work very fast, not a normal fast, but ultra fast. This means that it's extremely fast computing capabilities of pervasive computing, ability to get embedded and negligibly visible or apparent as extraneous object. So this is the pervasive computing as a feature of getting embedded and negligibly visible. So after we can embed this to any technology, and also it's visible or apparent as extraneous object. So it's distinguished as a separate object, the pervasive computing, and low power consumption and battery power. So this pervasive computing is of consumes very less power, and it is powered by battery. So the pervasive computing works on a battery inbuilt memory retention. So it is feeded with the memory, so it can retain the memory from the feeded memory. So that's why it is inbuilt memory retention. Here the memory is already feed using RAM or ROM chips. Capability to sense the environment and process it quickly and continuously. So it has capability to sense the environment and process it quickly and continuously. Active connectivity through wireless network and internet. So active connectivity through wireless network and internet. So we can connect using wireless network and also internet by using this pervasive computing, and ability to interpret, translate different languages in written or spoken or via gestures or other triggers. So this pervasive computing has an ability to interpolate, or it can also translate the different languages into written or spoken. So the written languages or spoken languages can be translated by using this pervasive computing by using gestures or other means. Key requirements for this pervasive computing. In pervasive computing, several threads are processed simultaneously in the background and respond on behalf of the user based on predefined algorithm, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. However, in this environment of various devices interacting with one another, the surroundings and users, the requirements are manifold, like context awareness, interoperability, power requirements, security and privacy, accuracy and reliability, and frictionless service. These are the requirements, and some of the use cases of pervasive computer are in the healthcare. A simple living room can be converted into a healthcare unit with the help of smart wearable body sensors, which would monitor the patient's vitals statistics such as heart rate, blood pressure, pulse rate, body temperature, respiratory activity, oxygen saturation, glucose level, and even electrocardiogram. Coupled with telemonitoring by healthcare facilities, this becomes extremely useful for those who are unattended, such as the elderly or physically challenged. One of the example in healthcare would be use of unique digital health ID. An inevitable individual allotted with such digital identity can use it to retrieve own personal health record and electronic medical record, or provide consistent to any healthcare service provider to retrieve and use it for further diagnosis and treatment. Physician, diagnostic laboratory, pharmacy would similarly get information to necessary action and benefit through the use of pervasive computing. Education. The National Education Policy 2020 has lays higher emphasis on the life of learning instead of teaching. In this context, pervasive computing would empower the students and facilitates the use of multiple channels for personalized content delivery, instructions, and evaluation. A student would be able to continue part of classroom session through a streaming web application or mobile app, provide academic, social media or podcast or FM or even a designed TV channel. Transport in electronic toy systems in highways and pervasive systems enable a vehicle fitted with an issued QR or barcode to pass smoothly through the barrier. The system, through a code reader, automatically detects an incoming vehicle and deducts the total charges from the prepaid account. Such systems may also allow interaction with the car's navigating system, suggest allocate parking slots and tickets, or assist in selecting hotel or restaurant during the travel. It can also automatically alert the nearest police station or car service station or a hospital in case of emergency such as road accident, etc. In agriculture, pervasive systems would be use sensors to measure soil health, sense the atmospheric condition, moisture, humidity, sunlight, etc., and provide necessary information to cultivators to achieve high crop yields and reduce operation cost. Wireless technology can help the farmers to use water wisely and fulfill more crop per drop motto. Combined with motor sensor and CCTV, it can also alert on pests or stray animals. Pervasive computing leverages its various components would be able to revolutionize the farming methods. Conclusion. So we have come to the conclusion of the topic. That is, this pervasive computing presents myriad opportunities to integrate systems, enable convergence to provide real solutions and seamless experience to the users. So the pervasive computing presents a myriad opportunities. So the pervasive computing is providing various opportunities to integrate systems. So this pervasive computing is using the highly technological softwares and technologies are being used to integrate the pervasive computing, and it consumes the less power consumption, and it is powered by the batteries. And here we have the pre-built inbuilt memory retention power is there in this pervasive computing. So this enables the customers, and here we have seen that the applications of the pervasive computing in the education, in the healthcare industry, in the farming, agriculture, and in the driving detection. So these are the many applications of this pervasive computing. So we have ended the conclusion. I thank the faculty and college for providing me this opportunity to speak on the topic. Thank you.